Hi guys, if you are watching this video, please subscribe. First things first, that is the first thing you should do is hit that subscribe button. Yep, you should do it. I am here with another Onyxbox. I am about to unbox it. I have not opened it up. Ooh. This is a beautiful graphic, another beautiful graphic. Like, I may take all of the graphics and, I don't know, create something with that. I don't know, but I love this graphic. It is so pretty. I love it with the flowers all over. And she's just glowing, ready for summer. The theme for this month is Deep Breath. It's basically telling you to treat yourself and do at home spa days. So we have a three-step mask duo, a whipped pudding moisture cream, an eyeshadow, a brush, and eye gels. And let's see, bonus. 2 of the editor's favorite skincare must-haves. Okay, let's see. I have not looked in the box at all. So this is our 3-step mask duo. Gentle foaming cleanser, Hydra Essence, and a microfiber mask. And this is the other one. And this one has, well, this is the same thing. Except for this one is Aqua Plus, and this one is brightening. And it's actually charcoal. Oh, I have this already. And this company is actually based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And it's basically a facial steam. You boil the water and you put this at the bottom. Well, of course, you blend the hot water and the herbal mixture and you'll have a facial. These are the eye patches by Pathology. Oh, I see something already. I'm so glad they sent me one of these because I'm actually running out. But this is a goat milk day cream, and this is everything by this brand, Zyja. I don't want to mess it up, but I love this stuff. And I was about to run out, so I'm glad I got this. As well as the brush. Cute little brush. The eyeshadow. Oh no, is this the eyeshadow? I gotta look. Okay, so it can be used as an highlighter or eyeshadow, okay? And I guess I can show you guys how it looks, do a little swatch. And this is the whipped pudding, I mean, by Owen Handmade. And this can be used as a pre-shampoo deep conditioning treatment. And for the body, it's supposed to melt into your skin. So I just applied the whipped pudding on my skin, and as you can see, it's nice and moisturized. The smell is very cocoa butter-like, and I love that. I will probably use this more for the body, right? Ooh! It's so thick that it didn't even come out when I flipped it over. Eyeshadow that can be used as a highlighter as well. I probably will include this in my giveaway because I just got a highlighter about that same color, and I don't really use eyeshadow. I have a whole eyeshadow palette that I don't even use right now. So I probably will put that in my giveaway box, and it said it's worth $21. So this is going to be in my giveaway box, and I just want to say my giveaway is coming soon. So this month includes 7 full-size products along with 2 of the editor's favorite products. P. Wilbin Herbal Facial Steam and the Goat Milk Moisturizing Day Cream. And I love this stuff. And I already tell that I'm going to love this as well for my moisturizer for the summer, you know, because, you know, us black girls have to shine and have to be put a little lotion like Trey say. I like put the lotion on you, okay? I want a little bit more shine on you, and this is going to put the shine on you, okay? Along with this brush, it's very soft, and I will probably just use this, I don't know, put a little body glitter on me. But this month we got 7 full products in the Deep Breath themed Onyxbox with this beautiful graphic. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a good flat lay of what I got today in my Onyxbox. Please subscribe for more videos. Have a good day.